everyone, welcome back to Millennial Living. Hey, over here. Well, okay, good. Guys, welcome back to Millennial Living. My name is George, and on this episode, what we're gonna do is talk about ceiling fans. But before I begin, I need you guys to do something very, very important. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps us when you do that. The thing about our house is it's got almost no lighting. The previous owner lived here for more than 30 years, but showed no love to it. So, there's a lot of things that we gotta do in the house. And as you can imagine, when you don't have lighting, that's the first thing you gotta do. So one of the things we started doing is these ceiling fans, and they're made by Hunter. But, it's frustrating to pull on these chains all the time. So there's a better alternative, and that is the wall control and a remote. So I know what you're thinking. Hey, I've seen these at the store before, so what's the point of you telling me about it? Well, here's the reason. Because I contacted Hunter and I was asking them, hey, can I get the wall control and the remote to work at the same time? And I was told, no, you have to pick one or the other. But guess what? It is possible. It's very simple. So let me tell you what it is. So take a look right behind me. See that blue tape? When we moved in here, this house had no lighting. It was very dark. We had to use lamps. So the first thing we had to do is the basics, and that was lighting. The type of fan that we like to go with is Hunter because they have a lot of variety of styles. And also they make these remotes and the wall control. So what I'm gonna do is break it down for you. Step one, go to your hardware store and pick out the style of Hunter fan that you want. All right guys, let me break this down. When you buy a fan, even if it comes with a remote, you still have to buy this universal remote. So let me explain. All right guys, so here's the deal. So let's say you buy this fan and it comes with a remote. The thing also it comes with is a transmitter. But the problem is the transmitter will not work with the wall control and the remote at the same time. When I say remote, the remote that came with this box. So you have to pick, do you want the remote or do you want it to work with the wall control? So let's say you want both, right? So then what you gotta do is throw out the transmitter that it came with in this box and throw out the remote that came in this box. And then you have to have the universal wall control and the universal remote. And the remote, universal one, comes with its own transmitter. So that's the one you attach to the fan and then you program it. And so then the universal remote and the wall control will work together. So we at Millennial Living love to give you numbers, so let's break it down. Wall control, 35 bucks. Universal remote, 35 bucks. The fan, $100. So we had no existing electrical, so to install all that was 350 bucks. So once you have everything installed, now you have three ways you can control it. The wall control, the remote, or the old-fashioned way. Alright guys, I'm going to break down the wall control. This one is for power, fan, and then to control the speed, and then this is for your light, and then if you have a dimmer, you can control it that way. Alright guys, this is the remote, and with this one, you control the light, the speed of the fan, and also you can take it out, and if you want to use 3M or screw it onto a wall. So you may be wondering, why do all this? With the wall control and the remote, now you're investing $75 into this. Well, let me tell you why. When you walk into the bedroom, it's really nice to be able to turn on the light. And then later, when you're laying in bed, you don't have to get up, turn on the fan or turn down the fan or any of that stuff. You can just do it with the remote. So we've done this all throughout the house, and it's really important when you guys do this. Make sure all these remotes are programmed differently. Otherwise, the remote in your living room will be controlling the fan in your bedroom and etc. Alright guys, that's how to have the best of both worlds with these fans. Do you have any questions or comments? Please tell us below. But before you guys go, please make sure to do something for us. Hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and then share this with your family and friends. And if you guys can, please support us on PayPal or Patreon. Bye.